What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. It's been late, but I got another unboxing. This video was supposed to go out before Christmas, but I messed up. But that's okay. That's alright. That's life. But as you can see from the title, I have another unboxing. And I got this. I guess this was a Black Friday. No, this was a Christmas deal thing. Did not get this on Black Friday. Now, original price for this thing, I think it was $79. And I went ahead and picked this thing up because I'm kind of trying to find the new IT type of headphones that offer you a good price per performance type of thing. You know, I'm looking for something like how Bluetooth was back in the day. I love the Bluetooth headphones, but they kind of went downhill, especially with bad customer service and whatnot. How they went after other YouTubers and whatnot. Yeah, they kind of, dug their own grave. Or something like, Edify or something. I want to find that next IT company. Now, this company that reached out to me, now, they did not sponsor this video. Okay? They did not send this thing out to me. I went ahead and bought it because they asked me to. I rarely do that. Especially at the price of these headphones. Now, like I said, these were on sale for like, I think I paid $72.99 for this. But these are the Zamkol hybrid noise canceling over the ear headphones. Okay, they're wireless headphones. They come with a USB-C cable, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable. Comes with a carrying case and a user manual. So let me see what else. This, it doesn't say if it's Bluetooth 5.0, but I'm pretty sure it's Bluetooth 5.0 at least. I'm pretty sure. Let me go ahead and cut this open. Okay. I mean, I've been looking for something, like Bluetooth, something to knock my head off, that's something really good. Bluetooth or a Treblab, something, like how when I first discovered them, or something like the Ghost Tech Soul Drops. Those are magnificent. But this is the set of cans right here. It comes in its case. Oh, everything is self-contained here. Oops. That's the it's a Zamkol set, Zamkol case. Let's see how it looks. Da 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 da. Oh, there's the camera. Okay, and there are your wires here. Your USB Type-C to USB-A charger, 3.5 millimeter jack, auxiliary cable if you still use that. And this is the headset itself. Okay, that's the headset. Don't mind the cat. Hey! Shut up! That one's in heat. That's a rescue. Don't mind that cat. We gotta get her fixed. Shh! Be quiet! And as you can see, it's labeled right and left. Okay? And the ear cups, they look kind of eggy. Like egg-shaped, which is good. Like, I love the egg-shaped ear cups, but they look kind of strange. Especially the padding. I don't know. Maybe it'll feel good. It's got a slight incline, and they do fold this way, like that, which is kind of strange. I would imagine it would have been better if they folded this way, facing this way, but they don't. Because if that's your left and that's your right, they go on your head just like this. Ooh, it does form a nice seal around it. It does form a nice seal around your ears. Now, if you're listening to this, you would think when you pull them down, they would flip the other way, to keep from getting dirty, especially if there's rain and stuff, I don't know. I don't know why they decide to make them flip up like that, but I guess to each their own. I don't know, maybe some people like it like that. It just feels awkward that way for me. But comfort-wise, they're very comfortable. They got a little weight to them, but they're not too heavy. And they fit my head perfectly. Now, if you've got a big... Let's see how far this thing goes. Okay? I think if you got a decent size, like a really big dome, I think it'll still fit you, and it's not gonna push too much clamping force on your head. But there's an ANC button here on the left ear cup, and the 3.5 millimeter plug is right there on the left ear cup. Now on the right ear cup, you have the USB Type-C charging port right there. I am assuming this dot right here, that's a microphone right there. Now, and you have 3 buttons right here. You have the power in the middle, and the power is in the middle, the volume control on the left and right of it. Now, I'm assuming you long press to skip forward. You long press this to skip forward, and long press the minus button to skip back to, you know, your tracks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired, and I'm gonna do a little quick jump cut right here. So I have it paired to my old LG V30, okay? Now I would be using my OnePlus 8, but it's recording this video. So I got Max Braun Cyberpunk via NCS loaded up. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, let's stop.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Woo! It's pretty good. Okay. Now the sound is balanced, but I don't know. It sounds like a little recessed. The bass is a little recessed, but it's there. You can obviously feel it and hear it. Not feel it as much, but you can hear it. The mids are nice. Could be better. They're a little recessed, but the highs, they're decent. Let's see how it sounds different with ANC on. See, when you turn ANC on there, it's supposed to block out all sound, and sometimes there's the turning on ANC changes the sound profile of the headphones. Testing. It sounds the same. It sounds the same with ANC off, and my voice is a bit muffled, but I can still hear it. I can't hear that. With music full blast, I can't hear that. It's a decent set of cans. It's very good. Let's try another song. Let's see. Let's try another. Let's try Mid Ranger. No, not Mid Ranger. Enviro. Voices in my head. There we go. I'm turning ANC off. There is a slight difference. Okay, when you got ANC on, all right, there's a slight difference. It gets a mite softer, the volume. I mean, just a mite, just like a hair. But when you turn ANC off, it's got decent volume. It is decently loud. Not the loudest set of cans I have, but it's decently loud for what it is. And the ANC, the active noise canceling, when it's on, it does block out, the low monotone sounds like me scratching this box. As long as the music is full blast, I didn't hear that too much. I could hear some of the high pitches in my voice, which ANC does not block out. Like those high pitched sounds, it does not block those things out. Usually those low tone, monotone voices, anything that sounds low, I didn't hear that when I was knocking like this, knocks on the door, knocking on that. I didn't hear that with the ANC on. And I guess it would work wonders. I guess if you're on the airplane, especially that low grumbling sound of the airplane, it should knock that knock that sound out. But for the most part, is this set of cans, the Zamkols, worth $72? No, it is not. It's not worth $72. If you're looking, if this was something I say like 50, 60 bucks, maybe $40 would be what I think would be a steal for it. Or maybe even 30. 30 would be a steal. 40 would be just right. 40, $50 would be just right price. But if you see these Zamkol headphones, now they're highly rated on Amazon. But like I said, I buy these things so you folks don't make the mistake of buying something that I think is a little pricey, and at $72, I don't think it's worth it at that price. Now, if this came down to like $50, you're pretty much paying for what you get. Now, if you get this for 40 or under, I think it's a steal. Then because I got some decent headphones, my Langolier. I forgot the name of them. I'll put them right down here, but they came in like $40. There's some MPOW headphones that come in around $40, and they're just as good as this. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this is totally bad. If you paid $70 and you think this is the greatest headset ever, hey, more power to you. But I recommend not paying that price. If you can get it for cheaper than $72, $70, I recommend it 100%. But this is not a bad effort by Zamkol. Now I know Zamkol. I think they make a speaker too. They look like those little portable Bluetooth speakers that you can pair to each other. You can have like one or two of them connect. You can have two of them connected to each other. But Zamkol, not bad. I mean, now I don't know if they have other headphones they have on the market, but this is a decent set of cans. Let me know what you folks think. You guys ever heard of Zamkol? Or Zamkol, I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry I'm butchering your name. But it's a decent set of cans, decent highs, decent mids, good bass. The sound dampens, the volume dampens just a little when you turn ANC on. Just a smidge. I get a little teeny weeny smidge. But other than that, solid set of cans. Let me try one more song. Maybe I'm jumping the gun here. Maybe that was only 2 songs. Def Keeve. That's Invincible. Let's go. Let me turn it on. Yeah. It's good, but it's not $70 good in my opinion. There are other headsets for $70. You can spend $70. Take a look at the Treblab Z2s. If you can find them, the Edifier W830s, maybe the W820s. Oh, I don't have the W820s. Maybe I should take a look at that. There are some that I think for $70 that offer a better price per performance than this. Now, don't get me wrong. The build quality is decent. This part is plasticky, but this part's metal. And the cushion on the top is, it's soft. It's fine. And it does kind of feel premium and plasticky at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. But if anything, you got to be careful with the hinges right here. Like this, these hinges. You turn them too much one way, these will snap, and you pretty much render these useless. But good effort by Zamkol. Decent. You get it for $50, you're right on the dot. You get it below $50, say $40 or less, you got a steal. But this is Guddang 775. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. 2 or 3 times a month. But yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you folks come back and see me again. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.